I wanted to share with you a new online workshop. This is for my 2024 mini album retreat. So I call it a mini album, but as you can see, this is not very mini. It's quite a large project. So the overall box size itself is 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. So you've got a nice photo frame front on this one, but you've got a lovely storage box that's going to house your album. So let me slide this out. So put the box to one side and look at this little beauty. Just going to walk you through it. So this is a project we made at the album retreat. I shouldn't call it mini album because it's far too big. So as you can see, I like to make my projects that you can put good 6x4 photos on, and there's no point in having an album if you can't add your photographs. So whether you're using old photographs, whether you're using new photographs, there's plenty of space for adding these to your project. So we've got different interactive pages going on here in this album, but I will take you through it every step of the way. The online workshop is available, and you get your print off PDFs with your cutting and scoring guide. The videos are all step by step. I'm with you as we cut every piece of card. Then with the paper, you've got your cutting and scoring guide. You can go away with your cutting and scoring guide, sort your papers out, get them cut to size, and then together we will add them. And then you can add your final embellishments. I've just added stamps and rub-ons and little paper elements to this one. I've kept it nice and flat. I haven't made it too bulky at all because I want to add all those photos. This holds over 60 6x4 photographs. You know, you've got plenty of space for journaling as well. But it's all about getting those 6x4 photographs in an album, all in one place. So whether it's a special occasion, whether it's a holiday, you know, this is the thing. You can put everything in one place. I know many of my crafters, they like to make these albums just to showcase their beautiful pattern papers. And why not? It's better to look at your pattern papers like this than to flick through lots of books that you're going to have to rummage through and pads that you need to get out. So whether you're making it for yourself, whether you're making it for a gift, whether you're making it to sell, because you can, as long as you're not selling the actual cutting and scoring guide, make these and sell them on your craft stall. Feel free to do so, not a problem at all. Just give me a little bit of kudos and said where the idea came from would be absolutely fabulous. So this is the project. I shouldn't say mini album, should I? Because it's a good size album. But that is the project we're going to be making in the online workshop. If you'd like to join, just press buy. Feel free, join with me, gather your supplies, and let's get crafting.